Have you ever tapped a link on your iPhone and thought, why is it always Safari? Well, iOS 18 has streamlined and made it super simple to change the default apps like browser and mail apps on the iPhone. So let's ditch Safari and set up the browser you prefer step by step. Ready? Let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the browser you want to use, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or my personal favorite Arc Search, is installed on your iPhone. Open the Settings app and scroll to the bottom of the list. Tap on Apps and at the top you will see a section called Default Apps. Tap that. Here you can set defaults for email, messaging, phone calls and your browser. Tap on Browser app and choose the browser you want to set as default. Done. From now on, any link you click will open in the new default browser. There's also a second method you can use. In the apps page, find your preferred browser in the app list. Tap on it and then select default browser app. Choose your browser and that's it. It's set. Easy, right? If this guide helped, let me know by dropping a like or leaving a comment below. And if you're curious about even more iPhone tips, check out this video next to learn how to scan documents on iPhone without using a third-party app. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.